Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Oh my god. It's actually not very sunny. Eid Mubarak, everybody. So today is Eid and it's raining. I'm just ready to go to Eid prayer, and it's actually my first Eid prayer ever. I never usually go to Eid prayers because I can't wake up. But alhamdulillah, this Eid I'm up, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can today, but I probably won't be able to vlog that much. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I only slept 2 hours. I will see you guys in a bit. Amma, you're littering.
Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
So we just finished Eid Salah. Damn. And now we're going home. So right now, so we finished prayer, and then I had to come and wash my hair because I didn't shampoo my hair last night. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Oh my god, I look like a freaking egg. So I am ready for Eid. So I've done my makeup and everything. Just gonna get started with my Eid. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Ignore the mess because I was trying to take pictures here. So I took out some stuff.
Automatically, they don't ask us, they don't care. It's very frustrating.
So we are at my auntie's and we are taking pictures. Photo sesh, photo sesh. Aisha! Appa come, Appa come. Amira come. Come, come, come. Appa ran away. Ibrahim is jumping. Aisha's reading a book. Amira's also reading a book. Say Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Say it. Amira, can you say Eid Mubarak? Eid Mubarak. Say Eid Mubarak. Amma to takon karo. Nani pakali ko. Okay, this is yours. Aisha, this is yours. Okay, where is Ibrahim? Ibrahim, this is yours. Ibrahim. Ibrahim. He doesn't want it. Ibrahim, look, look. You have to look inside. Do you like it? Oh, you open yours. You open yours.
Here.
Open yours.
Nice. Thank you.
Thanks for Aisha. Aisha, Bubura, thank you.
You're welcome. Ibrahim, come open yours. Open, look. It's a gift. Huh? Look.
So thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you, Klabu.
You better read it, Aisha. You're welcome. Do you like it, Aisha?
Don't need that.
Mama na dilaw.
What happens every day when they leave? One of them is always crying.
কন্যা বিদায় বা সময়